Attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Fling a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
You're not supporting the right here, sir. You're not supporting the right here, sir. Why you back your fish right there, sir? Huh? Why you back your fish right here, sir? You're not supporting the right here, sir. In dirty man, go suck out your man a blood clot. You sick stomach like me. I think you can dirty fish are gonna dead like dog. You pervert! Pervert! Rapist! Pervert! Hurry up and your man. Your license plate number go up on blood clot social media. Under that, turn the blood clot car. What that? It's a go. Me not see it. Ball it out for me, Kim. Can't see a rotty thing. Look at that pervert. Ball out that number there for me now. Wally baby. Wally baby. Him drive off yet? Watch this. Bombard. The man have him pants up, me, no, Kim. The man pants up, mo. I never talk about why me a pint.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up, man. So, my people, you hear the video. I hear the tone of those ladies in there. They're really angry. They're really pissed off, my people. See? So, this is Jamaica in Kingston, my people. And them find elder veteran Backfist King. You understand? Live on camera, my people. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Cause basically, this is a theme thing when always I do my viewers and subscribers. Go on, see females, take out them thing, and this is when always I do my people. You know what I mean? Especially when them say, look up at me. Or something when I love though. Because based on comments and when I see my viewers and subscribers, they must say another first for him. You know what I mean? Them say, people who say them know him from years ago. Females say, you a long time I do this thing. He has been reported to the police several times, you know. I don't know if police lock him up and let him out back or what my people. But him not stop the way I do. He continue to do what I do, my people. You know what I mean? And him always choose to go close to where the school him there. And when the little school girl him a pass, him go there, take out him thing and just start working, my people. Well, on a real level, my people, I don't have a problem with this same thing here. Say him want back with them, back a female, you can back it. Do what you want to do with it. You can understand? But it's when you go choose to go near the local pitney them now and look at the little girls them and do this, you need to get rid of. You need to get rid of. You understand? There's a consumption, there's a ransumption, there's a destruction to Jamaica and for the streets of Jamaica. You need to come off the street. And for the people who say, here's them I do it. Or no, allow this piece of sing thing here. If you still continue to go on and do this thing, it is not a good look, Jamaica. Kingston resident, it's not a good look. If you all can say, if he hears, you know him and I do this. Whatever set them want set him like this or what them want to do. If them set him like this, go find somewhere, go look for one cow, go look for one dog. Why you choose to go look for the people in school, look picking them and I do this thing. Big old elder, same thing. Veteran, same thing. Big old man with one bag of white hair on head top. You go round, I sorry them female and then gangbang you. And deal with the beat to scan. Honestly, that them should do it. You know what I mean? Put on beer lick on your beer kick, beer box. You to stop them from do it. Because you don't have no right to go close to the people and pitney. And boy, you are take it out and a wheel it off. Take it out and a wheel it off and want to get chat to. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. A straight attack. Attack. Launch some attack on the same thing, my viewers and subscribers. Launch some attack on the elder veteran Backfist King. Launch some attack on it. You understand? If you want to go release, there's so much places why you have to choose. Go get a smartphone. Go and go Google something and go watch something then. You know what I mean? Go get one paper or one magazine that contain these things. But why choosing people in the street, people picking it? To do this thing. If I set it so, I say you need to get rid of. And then on a joke thing, if I put your so, you understand, if you go round, look on people, look at picking it and do this thing. You know, and when I say something like this to my viewers and subscribers, maybe the same thing managed to touch on people picking it before, you know, back then, and they managed to turn it like this, you know. Maybe a same thing him do. You understand? Maybe a something him do. and people turn it around pan him and make him stay this way. You understand? Yes. Because why? Where the sense come from for him have to look pan picking it? And I'm saying, I see a lot of people comments to people and they are saying a long time the same thing I do it. They must say not just today. They know him long time. I see people even put him name. Some people say, yo, him used to have different car. When they find him car like this guy, like he can look at money to, you know. He manage to change car. You can see that car, they have an antique car too, you know, nice car, you know, antique. So him comes a boom and him change the ride them, you know what I mean, and roll in with a different one. And this is what he do every time to the local picnic them when him see them. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Attack. My people, big up on the cell, man, and thanks to the love, thanks to the support, the like, the share, and every comment. I don't know, you know, one team, one dream, one scheme, but boy, I tell about this back fist king, yeah. Only Jah sees and he knows. Peace out, my people. Stay safe. Watch your local ones, them. Protect them. You understand? Because them type of thing, yeah, we see one now on camera. But think about the others, them when they're on camera, because more out there in the street. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Attacking boss of that. Peace out, my people.